Hi, I want to share with you how YouTube changed my life this year. It all started 2 years ago when I started my YouTube channel. I was doing sport analysis, that's football analysis on my channel, and I got 1,000 subscribers, and then few weeks later I got the 4,000 watch hour, and then I applied for YouTube monetization, and they denied me, and it was heartbreaking. So I have to go back and delete all the videos on my channel and start all over again. The reason why they denied me was that I uploaded a football highlight from one of the Premier League, and then they say it was against their rules, so I have to delete every video that I have created so far and start all over again. Okay, moving forward, after that I have to start creating new videos of my own, that's my original videos, and also I tried to share them, but it wasn't easy to get to 4,000 hours again. It wasn't easy because when I deleted all the videos, all the watch hour also uh, got deleted. So I have to start all over from zero. So it wasn't easy. It took me 2 months to get to 4,000 watch hour, and then I applied again and I was accepted into the YouTube Partners program. And then another journey again to, you have to verify your address and all those stuff. So for them to send me the PIN, which they will send via mail, and it took them like 6 months to send the PIN, and I just got the PIN 3 days ago after so many application and requests. And then before that, after they send you the third PIN, if you don't get it, they will demonetize your channel, and until you get the PIN and start all over again. So for the period of December till this January, or from November till January, I was not earning at all on YouTube. So I got the pin few days ago and I put it. Then yesterday I got an alert from my bank that YouTube just credited my account. So I will show you that later in the video, how much YouTube paid me for the period of 3 months with 100,000 views. Okay guys, I will take you to my screen now. I'll show you how the journey started and how much I been able to make and how YouTube changed my life for good. And it's a very big testimony for me because what they paid me is over 6 months minimum wage here in my country. So it's not easy to earn that kind of money, but I thank God for everything. And I also would like you guys to start creating something, start creating videos around your business. Even though you are a lawyer, you are a business person, or a teacher, you can start creating videos and teach people how to do certain things in your own field, and that will help a lot of people, and thereby YouTube will also reward you with your hard work. So start creating videos and start creating value for yourself this year. So I will also share with you the alerts and all the steps that I took to get to this point. Okay guys, it all started in July. That was when I was monetized. That's July 2023, and that month of July they monetized me around 15 of July, and between 15 of July and 31st of July I got $10. That was for the first month within 15 days. And also August I got $54. And within my niche, and one thing about YouTube is that they pay based on your niche and also the length of your video, and then where your viewers are watching from. And most of my viewers are from underdeveloped countries, mostly Africa and Asia, especially Indians, and that affect my earnings because those countries, their CPM is very low, so they have to drop my CPM to $1.5 per thousand views. So it all depends on where your viewers are watching your channel videos from, and that is how your earnings will get better. Then in September, I got $39. Around October, I got 34.68 cents. Then November, I got 38.73 cents. Then December, that was when they demonetized my channel because I did not receive my verification pin. So that stopped around, the app stopped showing on my channel around November 10. So you can see this sharp drop here, and since then it was flat throughout December until January. As you can see, January 18, that was when I got the pin, and you can see how this graph shoot up, and that few days I was able to make a $1.38, and this just for a day. YouTube, they update their earnings 2 days after they've watched your videos. Okay, I'm still expecting the payment for yesterday, or the earnings for yesterday. So that was how much I got paid. And then let me show you the total amount that YouTube paid me for the period of 3 months with 100,000 views. As you can see, this is the payment I got on January 18, $171 in total, which is a very big money, so to say. And I'm grateful that YouTube was able to reward my hard work. So I would also like you to start creating videos around your niche. If you're a teacher, you can start teaching people what you know, and that will help a lot of people, and YouTube will also reward your hard work. If you're a lawyer, start teaching people about law, their rights, and all those stuff. I know that lawyers are not allowed to advertise their business publicly, but with creating educational videos, you can indirectly advertise your service, and that will also benefit your business, because people will start reaching out to you for your service. And then also other sectors, if you are an engineer, maybe building engineer, you can start educating people how to build a house, how much it costs to build a house. If you are a car mechanic, you can start educating people how cars work, how to solve little issues with cars, and then YouTube will also reward you. So that is my story. I believe you've learned something with this video. So go out there and start creating videos around your business. It will improve your business, and it will also help others. Thank you very much, and I will see you in our next video.